Hello, in today's video we are going to change the bottom bracket of this bicycle. As you can see, it is damaged, so we have to remove the nuts from here under the cover. As you can see, and then you need this tool 14. It's still very hard. Some of the bottom brackets, they have different screw, but in this case we are going to remove this one. And now I need this device, so you can remove the front gears out. So you make sure this is open and then insert it until the end. I will tighten it more, so make sure it is reaches the end. So now I have to tie this one. When you tie it, this one, it will pull out. Now you can see. Now I will remove the device. Now we start opening the right side, and remember the direction, it is clockwise. Oh. You have to be careful, don't hurt your hand. If the case slip from your hand, this is very dangerous sometimes. Yeah, it is a little bad. Now we clean here and grease it also a little, so in the future maybe it will be more easier to reopen again. So now we have to measure the size, or you can see it somehow here. 119, the length of the bottom bracket. And it is mentioned for you also here, right and left. So when you insert it, remember to put it from right side. Now we put the new bottom bracket, and remember we start with the left side, so it should be anti-clockwise, clockwise, should be clockwise, yeah. So this is the left side, clockwise direction. So don't insert it until the end. Only as a measurement for the bottom bracket from this side. So to control when you insert the bottom bracket this side. So this one, it will be the same direction, anti-clockwise. Make sure it catch easily and never force it, because it will destroy the threads of the bottom of the bicycle. So now we tie it the right side. That is enough. So now it is perfect. You can see it is rotating and it reaches the end. Sometimes it doesn't reach the end, but now it is perfect. So now this is fine. And the other side, like this. And now you tie it then, and it is ready then. And remember, it is good all time to insert the same length of the bottom bracket, because it will affect the gears later, the front gears. But if you buy the same length, so it will be fine. You don't have to suffer with the gears or to adjust. So now the other side I will tie it as well, and then it is ready. Yeah, so now it is ready and the bottom bracket is installed and the bicycle now is more safe. Okay, thank you very much.